Ladies and gentlemen, I say to you, a chicken in every pot. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every day. Guys, we're about to vote in a few weeks here, and I want to put a chicken in every pot. Which presidential candidate will put a chicken in every pot? All right, guys, we're having fun with that. We got our chicken, right? We got potatoes, we got carrots, we got lemons, we got tomatoes, we got garlic. That's it, easy schmeezy. Oh yeah, we got seasoning too, but I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're all set up, right? I cut some of these potatoes in half, right? And some of them I'm leaving whole. You know, just different textures, right? So let's hit this with some olive oil, right? And then I'm going in with some complete seasoning. I know it looks like a lot. Put a little bit more olive oil. Then I'm going in with some Cajun seasoning, right? Spice this up a little bit. We're gonna use the same flavor profile for the meat. So let's go in with our carrots. You know what, let's give this a stir. Let's give this a nice stir. Do the same with some carrots. I'm not gonna do all the carrots that way. Just a little bit of a. All right, so let's move on to the chicken. All right, guys, I'm going to inject it with this Tony Chachere's marinade. I'm gonna just put it inside the breast here. Now, guys, if I was using this whole thing, I would just go ahead and stick the syringe inside here. But I don't want to spoil it because I'm not going to use it all. So I'm just going to pour it in this shot glass, right? Because it has to be long enough to get into the holes here. And then we're just going to inject. Whoa, look at that, guys. It almost came out. All right, guys, that's it. Not gonna do any more. Guys, I almost forgot the onion. All right, so I'm going in with one onion on the inside. I'm gonna do two quarters, right? So half a small onion on the inside. You know what would be good? Some celery. I got some celery, right? I'm just going to stick that inside here. Guys, we got some rosemary. I'm just going to stick one of these inside the bird, right? And I'm just going to take, let's say half of this garlic. It's a pretty big piece of garlic, right? Just going to stick that in there too. You know what? Why not the whole thing? One whole big piece of garlic, right? And because of the why not factor, why not just go inside here, right? With some seasoning. All right, now we're gonna completely dry this chicken off, right? As best as we can. Not worry so much about the bottom because it's gonna be facing down on the pot anyway. Olive oil. And we're gonna give this baby a nice little rub down. Get rid of some of the skin, it's grossing me out. All right, so now this is nice and oiled up. I'm gonna go with some complete seasoning. Guys, just so I can, I'm just gonna stick my hand up in here and try and put some seasoning under here. See how well we could do this. Right, let's just rub it in, rub it up in there. Guys, we said goodbye to this little thing, the little pop-up thing. We pulled that out. If you use this, guys, you're gonna be well overdone. You know, way overdone. All right. And guys, I'm just gonna go on top, right on a little around the top with some of the Cajun seasoning. I mean, we want a little taste, but we also just want a little color, right? All right, guys, so we're ready for the pot. All right, guys, this is gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna go down with our potatoes in the bottom. Let's get all that seasoning in there, right? And I'm just gonna put some celery, right? The aroma of the celery should probably do us good, right? We're not gonna eat it. Oh, guys, I forgot to put the lemon in the chicken. The rest of our carrots. Now I'm gonna get those carrots to the outside and our garlic. I'm just gonna break some of this garlic up. And put the carrots to the outside. Alright guys, I wonder if our chicken's gonna fit in here. Like we may have to move some potatoes and stuff around. But I'm just going in with just a little bit of water, right? Hopefully that chicken will make enough water so we can make a gravy. All right, guys, in we go with our chicken. Looks like it's just gonna make it, so let's just move a couple of these out of the way. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go over with some of these cherry tomatoes. Hey guys, I just had these sitting around. I'm just going in with them, right? Whatever flavors they can provide is gonna be great. And guys, I forgot to put it in there, 1 lemon, right? Or half a lemon. And another one of these, right? All right, this goes into a 425-degree oven for 35-40 minutes, and then we'll look at it. Maybe we need to take the top off. All right, guys, here we go. Let's take a quick temp right down by the knuckles here. 200, guys. Let's do the breast. 165, that's perfect. 174 there. All right, guys. I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. I don't wanna cut into it right away. And then I'll have it on the cutting board and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm just gonna take all our vegetables and stuff out. Just put them in here. All right, guys, I got a little bit of cornstarch, so it's 1-to-1, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of water. Let me just give this a mix. Guys, I'm gonna turn the heat on the stove. And let this come up to a bubble. Let's just give this a taste. See if we need to do anything. Guys, flavor-wise, bomb diggity. Alright guys, so it's bubbling. I'm gonna just put a little bit. I'm not gonna put too much. Let's give it a stir. I think that's enough to thicken this up. Alright guys, once you put cornstarch in anything like this, when you turn it off, it's gonna thicken up even more. So I'm gonna turn this off. It'll thicken up, and we may have to put a little bit of water in here. Alright guys, we're gonna go in. Here's our inside here. Let's get rid of these tomatoes here. I'm gonna go down the side of the leg here. You guys, there's a lot of juices in here. Guys, we're not going to throw this away, right? Holidays are coming in. We're going to make a nice stock out of this. All right, guys. Guys, serving it just like this. You come in, get your carrots, get your potatoes, right? I'm going to make my plate right now. All right, guys. I'm going to go down with some gravy. I kind of missed it before, but we're going to do it again. Here we go. We're going down with our gravy, guys. I'm going to put a little on the meat, on the potatoes. All right, let's give this a taste. Let's give this a taste. I'm going to go in with a piece of this leg here. Look how that just came right off, guys. So soft and tender. Let's go in. Guys, this is delicious. The gravy is delicious. When I tell you a chicken in a pot, guys, that's just the way to go. Let's give these potatoes a taste. And guys, that celery was a good idea. It just perfumes everything. Guys, this is good. Let's get some gravy. Guys, like and subscribe. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.